Now we'll go to our next thing, like and unlike decimal. Decimal numbers with the same number of decimal places are called like decimal, like 2.1, 0.7, 3.8, 1 decimal place each. In this, there are each 1 decimal points. And in second, 0.25, 9.01, 27.73, 2 decimal places each. In this, there are two decimal places. And the third one is 1.345, 16.789, 2.762. 3 decimal places each are there. Now we'll go to unlike decimal. Decimal number with different numbers of decimal places are called unlike decimals, like 0.9, 1 decimal place, 17.5, 1 decimal place, 9.34 is 2 decimal places, and so on, like this. You can see over here. Convert unlike decimal to like decimal. If we have to convert unlike decimal to like decimal, unlike decimal can be converted to like decimal by changing them to their equivalent decimals. Like this. Unlike decimal is 3.27. We will write like this. We'll add 0 in the back, like this. Okay, now equivalent decimal. Look at the decimal number represented by the colored part: 1/10, 10 hundredths, 100,000. All these decimal number written above have the same value. First, 1 is at the 10th place in all the numbers. Therefore, 0.1 is equal to 0.10 is equal to 0.100. Decimal number that have the same value are called equivalent decimal. Check if 1.43 and 1.430 are equivalent decimal. Like 143 will write like this: 1's place, 10th place and 100ths place. 1 like this, 1 will go over here, 1 will go over here. 4 will come in 10th place and 3 will come in 100th place. The 0 at the end does not change the value of the decimal number. Right? Now we'll come to comparing and ordering decimal. Right? Comparing decimal using colored part. Look at the following pair of the colored part. I have made 4 figures for you, A, B, C and D. In first figure, I have shaded 2 parts, and in second, I have shaded 7 parts. Then this become, I have shaded 3 parts in this. I'll shade 3 parts. This will become 0.3 and 0.7. Now, which one is greater? 0.7 is greater because this is more. So we'll write like this: 0.3 is greater than 0.3 is smaller than 0.7. This figure is greater, right? Now go to the decimal. For the colored part, this is 0.35. I have shaded 1, 2, 3 and 5 parts over here. And decimal for colored part D is 0.27. 2 is these lines are 2 and 7 is this one. In C, the number of colored part is more than in D. Then we'll write like this: 0.35 is greater than 0.27. Right? Now we'll compare decimal. Comparing decimal, we have to follow these steps. Step 1, convert the given decimal to like decimal if they are unlike decimal. In second step, you can compare the whole number part of the given decimal. If the whole number part are equal, then go to the next step. The third step is now compare the digit at the 10th. If these digits are also the same, then move to the 100th place and so on. Compare 2.7 and 2.25. To compare 2.7 and 2.25, convert them to the like decimal. How we will compare unlike decimal to like decimals? We'll write like this: 2.7 will become 2.70 and 2.25 will be as it is. Let us now compare 2.70 like this. Now which one is bigger? 2.7 is greater than 2.25. How? Because it will become 70 and this is 25. Now using a shortcut to compare decimal, instead of comparing digits that are at the same place, think of like decimal as whole number. We will think it as a whole number, then compare the whole number. Now again we will do like this, and this is our whole number which is greater than this, right? Now ordering decimal. What is ordering decimal? Rewrite the number 0.7, 1.02, 0.9 and 1.1 in descending order. This is our unlike decimals and this is our like decimals. Write as whole number. We'll just take these whole numbers and then we will write in descending order. As simplest is this. When we will just take the whole number, then our descending order will become so nice. 110, 102, 70 and 9. And then we'll convert into like decimal and we can do easily the descending order. Thank you for this video. Thanks. Bye.